Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to zoom video in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To zoom video, first make sure you're in the Edit tab at the bottom and that you have your video clip inserted into the timeline. Click on the clip you want to zoom and then go to the Inspector tab in the top right. If it's not open, click on where it says Inspector. Now choose Video in here and look for the Zoom option. Click and hold on one of the numbers and move your mouse to the right to zoom in and to the left to zoom out. You'll see the number increasing and decreasing. You might also now want to change the position of the video, which can be done a few rows down with the same method to change the zoom number. If you don't want the entirety of your video to be zoomed, use the blade tool with the B key and then click at the start and end to create a separate section of video that you want to be zoomed. Use the A key to return to the selection tool, and now you can just select this clip to zoom with the method earlier. If you want your video to zoom as it plays, you'll need to use keyframes, which is the small diamond icon next to the zoom option. Click this at the time of the video where you want to start zooming, and then move forward in time to where you want the zoom to end, and click the diamond icon again, but change the zoom, and it should now zoom as the video plays. And so that is how to zoom video in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.